Hey crafters, it's me, Jen with Quality Crafts, and today we have number 176 of our 1 in 10 by Jen from Mailbox to Masterpiece, and this comes from our own Sharon Schaefer. So Sharon, thanks so much for sending in your scraps. Let's go ahead and see what she sent in, and then I will start the timer. You have this pretty well closed, so I'm going to have to kind of get myself in there. Let's see what we got here. Last week I accidentally missed some things, so Tracy, if you're watching this one, I will be doing a second card for you. I missed some of the baby things that were in your envelope, so my apologies. I have it set aside, the scrap set aside, so I can do another one. Oh, this one is Merry Christmas. Look at this. I love being challenged by other things during different seasons. So it is now spring. If you're watching this, whenever you're watching this, I'm doing it in spring. And so we will be able to, I was thinking while I was doing this, I gotta set my alarm. Forgot what I was saying. We'll be able to something. Anyway, I've got these cute little ribbons. So darling. And I almost want to cut this into an oval, but I don't have any of my punches out yet. So I'm thinking, do I have a small oval that I can pull from one of my little plastic things here? Yep, I think I do. Perfect. Okay, we're going to do this one. And I'm just going to do this. No. I know what I need. Yes. I'm just going to make a mark using a stylus, because that way it's not going to leave any like written marks. It's just going to be kind of a little divot. You can see that totally. And then I'm going to cut around that divot. Oh, there's a red. I just noticed that. It just came out from nowhere. There's a little red guy too. Okay. So I'm going to, those are too big. Let's get out our little cutting scissors and cut this into an oval so we don't have to have all squares. There we go. Pretty good. I might save this a little bit of black. I'm not sure yet. We've got silver and gold going on here. Wouldn't that look cute? Do I want to go dark or do I want to go... Oh, the red really pops, doesn't it? The red really pops. Okay, I need a card base. So let's go ahead and get this one set up. Haven't heard a lot from you, Sharon. I hope things are going well. I'm going to put some of these guys on here. Oh, look at that. Are they all going to be? Yes. You know what? I think I can get away with just doing those three. And then putting this across. It's perfect. Yes. Oh, we've got a green too. You know what? Let's do the green just because we don't have a whole lot of green in there, so that would be awesome. This one has a slight bit of white on it, so I'm just going to trim that off. Perfect. And then this one could go across. I'm going to trim off some of the edge because there's a little bit hanging off each side. You probably can't notice it real well. That looks so cool. And now we're definitely going to use this. I don't know if I want to cut that off cut that short and put the ribbons on the side, or if I just want to... You know what? This red is so bright. I'm going to save this. That stuff will go into my... Yes, that stuff will go into... Oh, you know what? Do I have any... Still haven't gotten out... I know. Hold on a second. I need some pop-up foam tape. I'm gonna pop up this Merry Christmas. Ooh, that was close to hanging out. Really close. Yep, there's a little bit hanging out. I'm just going to chop that off. We also sell a black foam. So for that reason, because I'm using black, if I'd used the black foam, you wouldn't have seen that. I probably wouldn't have even had to cut it off. Cute. And then glue dots for those bows so I know they're going to stay. And you know what? I'm going to cut some of this off. Because otherwise you're just looking for glue dots where you know there aren't any because you've already used them up. And I'm going to put one on each corner. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Adorable. Adorable little card. I have a little bit of left of this. Maybe we want to just put this down the inside. Yes. Yes, I do. And match the outside here a little bit. And that, all that's left is just this little ribbon. So I'm going to call that done and turn off the timer and check it out. So cute. Sharon, you sent just the cutest stuff. It worked out so well. Snappy. I'm going to save this one in the new 2021 scrap box for the end of the year when we do our next crop in the new year. I think that's what we call it. So if this is something that you think is really fun, you want to see some more, I've got in my channel 5-minute ones, 10-minute ones. Again, this is number 175, 76. This is 176, the 176th week that we've done this. So if you enjoy it, please come back and join us every Wednesday as we do a new card. And we're always looking for new people to send in. I've got lots of like extras from people, but now I'm kind of spiraling into doing the same people over and over again. So don't be afraid to send your card in. And if you're looking for anything Quality Crafts, check out qualitycrafts.com. And I cannot wait to see you guys next video.